What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have a cool video for you today. We have what looks like a 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4 here from Louisiana. He drove like 8 hours. I think he said 8.5 hours to be here. He made it here on time. He was here at 8 o'clock when we opened this morning, so we're going to get this one started quickly. Very excited about it. We're doing a 5-inch Cognito lift kit. I think it's the Performance Series with the Fox reservoir shocks. Then we're going to be doing a 22x10 forged wheel from KG1 Forged. It's called the Outburst. It's going to be in the black and milled finish. It's going to be a super cool looking wheel. It's a new wheel. I haven't done this yet on the channel. We're going to be doing a Nitto Ridge Grappler in a 37 1250 22. It's one of the best tires you can get. I'm very confident this truck is going to ride amazing, and I'm going to try to get it, or we're going to try to get it done today for the guy so he can go back home. But I think he's already booked into a hotel room, so if we don't get it done today, it will be done tomorrow, and he'll be back on the road. And I wanted to say I appreciate you guys from driving out of town. That's it's crazy to me that you would come that far away just to buy a lift kit, tires, and wheels for your truck. But I also do understand buying quality, getting it done once and right the first time, and not having to worry about it again. So that's what we try to offer to everybody that comes. And we do a little bit more for the out-of-town customers. We triple check. We do a triple test drive. We go the extra mile to make sure you're going to make it home safe and everything's going to be fine on the truck. So stay tuned for this video. We're about to get started on it now. I'm going to get out of the truck and do a walk around and show you what the truck looks like, but it's that volcanic red color, so I'm pretty excited about this one. Thank you. All right, so with a production date of September 2024, I'm going to assume this is a 2025. Volcanic red is the color. One of the best colors, in my opinion, that they have for this year. This truck's going to look amazing with the black and milled wheels, or black and machine, whatever you want to call it. It's going to be black and silver, essentially. Can't wait to get it started. The 5-inch Cognito is going to be perfect for this truck. The Fox shocks are going to ride amazing. Let me know what you think about this truck in the comments. The AT4 is a much different trim package than what the Denali Ultimate is. Has a little bit different interior with it. Still has black with the brown leather and the stitching on it. Looks really nice. Get a really similar interior to the Denali Ultimate. Has the big screen and all that stuff. This truck has like 9,000 miles on it, so it's still like brand new. He does have this really cool retractable bed cover. We sell these too if you guys want one of those. We're about to get started on this truck. Stay tuned. All right, so I should probably use a microphone while doing this, but I wanted to go over the truck with you. Right here is a 37 1250 22 Nitto Ridge Grappler and a 22x10 KG1 Outburst wheel. And we have a, that's just not me, I don't know. Well, we have another truck done, another out-of-state customer that is about to get back on the road. He's seen the truck already. He's super happy with it. He's in the office. I was actually late this morning. I had to go to an open house at my kid's school, so I wasn't able to get here early. They finished this truck early this morning, and probably 8, 9 o'clock, and I didn't get here until 11:30, and my customer waited for me. So I wanted to say I appreciate it to him. He has a ride back to Louisiana today that's, I know it's an 8.5 hour drive at least. And for him to just stay around waiting for the video to be done is crazy, but I really appreciate it. You would be surprised the amount of videos that I start and do, you know, halfway or 3/4 of the way, and I never get to do the rest of the video because somebody's got to go or I'm not here or something like that. So I wanted to say I appreciate him for that. The truck looks amazing. I knew it was going to look good. You guys may not have known it was going to look good, but I've seen these before, so it definitely was going to look good. I'm super impressed with the wheel on it. KG1 Forged has 2 different lines of wheels, or 3 different lines of wheels really. They have their Legend series, their concave series, and then they have their Contender series. The Contender series is more affordable, right? It's not a cheaper wheel. It's actually a forged wheel. It's just the designs aren't as new and upbeat really as the the concave or the Legend series. So essentially what's going on here is the Contender series is designed to contend with the prices of your cast aluminum wheels, like your fuel off-roads and stuff like that, because they make a good wheel, but the metal alone, the cast aluminum, is not as good as forged. The problem is forged wheels are very expensive and a lot of people don't want to spend the money, which I get it. There's pros and cons to both, but forged, they're a little better, right? They're a little lighter weight, they're truer, they look a little better. So forged is the way to go. KG1 came out with this Contender line to compete with the other competitors, and from what I've seen, I haven't really been like a big fan of the Contender series. I'll be honest. It's in the black and machined or black and milled finish. It's very, very nice wheel. I pulled it out of the box and I was very surprised. It almost seems like it shouldn't be branded Contender series. It should be more one of their Legend series wheels because it looks really nice. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you the truck. Let me know what you think. Like I said, this is a 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4 Duramax diesel. We did a 5-inch Cognito lift kit, the performance one with the Fox reservoir shocks. And we did a 22x10 with a 37 1250 22 Nitto Ridge Grappler to finish it all up. The truck's perfect. Let me know what you think. Here she is. I couldn't be happier with it, really. I know the customer is going to enjoy this truck. I know this is going to be one of those long-term relationships that I can keep with a customer, because I know he's going to be happy with the product that he bought because he bought the good stuff, right? He bought Nitto Ridge Grapplers. You can't beat this tire. This is the best manufacturer that you can get a tire from. Toyo and Nitto, they make the same brand, right? It's the same company, but they make the same product. It's awesome. We have our upper control arm from Cognito right here. This is part of their performance series. You get that upgrade. You get the Fox reservoir shock upgrade with this performance kit. The non-performance kit is good, but it doesn't have as many extras with it. So here's your cross member from Cognito. It's the same cross member you'd see on their 4-inch kit. 4 and 5 inches the same. And then let's see if I can show you the steering braces. Probably not very good, but you can really see them good here on your idler arm and pitman arm. Steering braces are very, very nice. You can even buy them separately if you want to with this kit or with any of your trucks. You don't have to have a Cognito lift kit. What are these bugs I'm hearing? So there's the KG1 Outburst and the 22x10. Black and milled, black and machine, whatever you want to call it. This is the finish of the wheel. It's gloss black. It's super nice. I love it. Let me know what you think about this truck in the comments. If you guys have any questions about it, or if you want to get a price on something like this, I can price you over the phone, no problem. I'm going to throw a quote at the back of this clip so you can see what this job would cost if you called in and got a quote on it. Kind of fills in the blanks whenever you're new to this. If you have any questions, reach out, 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. We're in McDonough, Georgia at Southern Tire. And once again, I wanted to say, everybody that watches every week, I appreciate you guys. It wouldn't be possible without you. The YouTube journey wouldn't be possible. The trucks we get to work on up here wouldn't be possible. So thank you.